Now I may never be on a Samsung phone commercial, but I always let you know when I got some purple. And you don't care, I move OZs, even though your sister is police. You always like one with me.
You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy. You can be my drug dealer boy.
My closet was filled up with about 28 pounds. Clients stacking their bills up when it be frontin' amounts. I was getting to work, and the work was worth more than Jason Worth. The perk of the work, the hooks and verses became my first priority. In other words, not working was working. I would drive out to Colorado where urban was perfect. Sure, I was nervous. I would head out with about like 50